Hey guys, Gracie here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fall luminary. So this luminary is a really simple craft and easy and fun for all ages. So before we get started, let's go through everything that you're going to need to make this. The first thing you need is an empty jar. So this can be a mason jar, maybe a mayo jar, jelly jam, whatever you have lying around. And any size will work too. Next, you'll need some colored tissue paper. So I went with some fall colors, red, yellow, orange, and purple. And you'll rip these up into pieces about this size. Various shapes, doesn't matter. You'll also need brown construction paper and scissors. And you'll want to cut out a tree silhouette like this. Again, you can do any shape or design you want, or do no shape. It doesn't matter. I went with this tree design here. And then the last thing you'll need is some Mod Podge. So you can get this at your local craft store or even online at Amazon. And this foam brush for applying it. Okay, we have everything we need, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna apply some Mod Podge to just a section of here. I like to do it that way so it all doesn't dry at once. It makes it a little easier. So you're gonna go ahead and do this, and you can be generous with how much you use. Do a section just like that. Perfect. And then gonna take whatever colors you like and simply stick them on and flatten them against the surface, just like that. And use a mix of colors and also overlap them as you go. It makes this really pretty stained glass look that you can see on the finished product. So I'm gonna keep going with this, applying where needed, and then just sticking on the colors. Yeah, it's looking good. Again, really helpful to do an extra layer over the top of this just to get everything sealed down there. And I think we're looking good. So it's a nice stained glass effect. And like I said, it dries clear, so don't worry if it looks a little off right now. Okay, so you've got all the tissue paper on now. So then you're gonna take the shape that you cut out of the brown construction paper, whatever your design is, mine's the tree here, and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna pick a spot on the jar where you want to apply it, put some Mod Podge there, stick it down, and then apply more Mod Podge on top. And remember, just a little more pressure with this because this is construction paper rather than tissue paper. So I think I'm gonna do mine right here. So I'm gonna add a little bit of extra of that, the Mod Podge. And then we're gonna stick this down just like that. That's working well, and I'm gonna apply a little on top just to keep it all in place so that when it dries, everything is secure. And there you have it. So there you go, a fall luminary. So the next important step is to let this dry completely. You want to make sure it's all clear all the way around, none of the white Mod Podge still showing. So I'm going to do a little switcheroo here and give this one some drying time and show you what the final product looks like, this glowing luminary. And to achieve that final touch, you'll need to get an LED tea light. So these are really easy to find online, your local craft store, and easy to use, simple on and off switch. So I've got one in there now, and I like to add two for just an extra glowing effect. And if you want, you could use a real tea light candle, but kids, be sure to ask the adults for help with that. And there you have it, a fun fall luminary to celebrate these beautiful fall colors outside. Happy crafting! Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.